Happy Kiddo TV, for gigantic fun, totally safe, is proud to present. In the leafy borough of Pembroke Lane, there lives a dog of extraordinary leisure. His name is Sir Biscuit. Sir Biscuit, a large, magnificent golden retriever in a tiny burgundy silk robe, lies on a velvet chaise lounge, eyes half closed, sighing gently at nothing. He inherited a townhouse from his late owner, a retired magician, through means that remain, to this day, entirely unclear. Standing in neat rows behind Sir Biscuit are 27 cats of every breed and size. Each wears a small white apron. Their expressions are extremely serious. He did not hire them. They simply arrived, one by one, and took over. Sir Biscuit gives one slow, satisfied tail wag. The cats accept this as a standing ovation. Every morning at precisely 7 o'clock, head chef Clementine takes command of the kitchen. Clementine, a no-nonsense tabby in a tiny chef's hat and apron, stands on a custom step stool at a professional gas stove. She handles a spatula with surgical precision. The scrambled eggs are perfect. Clementine is a culinary prodigy who learned everything she knows from watching the Food Network for 3 consecutive days. Her scrambled eggs have been described as ethereal. Gerald is in charge of orange juice. Gerald has produced 0 glasses of orange juice in 11 months. He is Employee of the Month. Every month is assigned to a 4-cat team. In theory, 3 members of the cleaning team have discovered the Roomba. 3 cats are joyfully riding the Roomba in a circle, clutching each other. They are having the time of their lives. Duchess, an immaculate Persian, stands in the doorway. She watches them. Her expression is geological. She has seen things. She picks up a mop. She begins cleaning alone. She is very, very good at this. Duchess has filed 3 formal complaints about the Roomba situation. With whom, exactly, remains unclear. Sock has successfully dusted 1 shelf. She considers this a completed project. By noon, the house is spotless. The cats take a 3-hour nap as compensation. Duchess does not nap. Duchess stares at the wall and thinks about her choices. Every Tuesday at 2 o'clock, the shopping team deploys. They face forward. They look extremely purposeful. Pedestrians stare. The cats do not acknowledge the pedestrians. They carry a list. The list is very clear. They return 45 minutes later. The cart pulls up. The cats unload triumphantly. 17 cans of tuna stacked in a tower, 4 varieties of catnip arranged like a bouquet, sparkling water, and a potted plant clearly stolen from outside a cafe. Sir Biscuit surveys the hall. Sir Biscuit walks slowly around the items. Sniffs the tuna tower. Sniffs the stolen plant. Looks at the cats. Long pause. He wags his tail. He has never been more proud. He does not question the plant. He never questions the plant. A monument to inaction. A basket of clothes from several weeks ago sits untouched. Machi, a round cat, is asleep inside the open dryer. A single sock hangs from the door like a flag of surrender. Machi has confirmed the dryer is not running. She checked. She is sleeping in it anyway. Brine, a gray tabby, sits beside the laundry basket. In front of him, one perfectly, immaculately folded sock. He stares at the wall with the serene contentment of someone who has completed a great work. On the wall behind him, a hand-drawn progress chart titled Laundry Status. 1 bar filled in, labeled March. It is September. Brine has folded 1 sock in 40 minutes. The laundry project has been ongoing since March. Sir Biscuit will not have clean linens this week. Sir Biscuit does not use linens. No one mentions this. The project continues. At 7 o'clock sharp, Dinner is served. Clementine plates a 4-course dinner with surgical precision. Poached salmon. Roasted vegetables. A gleaming gravy boat. The presentation is extraordinary. Clementine has outdone herself. All 27 cats take their seats around the long dining table. They sit perfectly upright. They watch Sir Biscuit approach his bowl with complete, unblinking focus, like shareholders at a board meeting. At the end of every day, the house grows quiet. A slow montage, cats finding their evening places, one by one. Sir Biscuit asleep on his chaise longue, snoring softly. One paw twitches in a dream. He is probably dreaming about breakfast. He looks like the most content being on earth. And in the hallway, Duchess pauses at the light switch. Duchess, thanks for watching. Good night.
Thanks for watching. See you next time. Do not forget to give this video a like and to subscribe to the channel so you will be notified when new videos are published. And be sure to check out our other videos.